Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone, how are you? It's me Faruk Khan. You are watching T&Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer do credit balance to anyone. So you can send credit from your mobile. So that one I will show you. So let's start my video. Okay, so after coming mobile screen, then open your dial pad. Then I will show you there is two way. First way with the code number, example *121 star, then the which number you want to send 05, example this my number. Okay, this is the number, and then star, then example which amount you want to transfer. I will transfer like 5 dirham, then hash, then call button. So here you can see you're transferring credit to do prepaid number using M2 1-to-1 mobile credit transfer service. So if you want to send, so you have to confirm the section. So now I will confirm *1, then send. So here you can see the already it's sending. So you will receive the message, and there is the another way I'm showing you now. Dial *135 hash, call. After that, here you can see the first option is you can check the balance. So we have to choose the second option. I will reply to, then send. After that, you have to choose here number 2 for mobile credit. Okay, here you have to dial the number, which number you want to send. 05, example which number I want to put. Okay, this number, then send. Then you have to put the amount, which amount you want to send. Send. Then after you have to confirm the if you want to confirm, you can confirm dial 1, and then you can choose for 2 you can cancel. So I'm choosing 1, send. So here you can see it's already sent. So I will just check in message option. So they will send the message. Okay, so here you can see, sorry, mobile credit transfer service is only allowed after minimum spend 10 AED. So this one I can't send because this my SIM card is new. So if minimum we have to use 10 dirham, after that you can send, because this my SIM card is new. Still I didn't use for 10 dirham. So after we will use for 10 dirham, after that I can send to anyone. So like this you can transfer to your friend. So like this you can transfer to your friend or family, anyone in Dubai. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next video.